Did you know the Phone by Google app can identify suspicious callers and help you block unwanted calls? In this video, I'll show you how to install Phone by Google, make it your default calling app, activate the available spam protection features, and block suspicious numbers. The available settings may vary depending on your phone and location, but don't worry, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone, tap the search bar, and type Phone by Google. Select the official phone app published by Google LLC. Make sure you choose the official application. Now tap Install. If the app is already installed, tap Update. This ensures you have the latest available features and security improvements. When the installation is complete, tap Open. You may now see a message asking you to make Phone by Google your default calling app. Tap Set as Default. Select Phone by Google, then confirm your choice. The app may also request permission to access your contacts, phone calls, call history, and microphone. These permissions are required for making and receiving calls. Read each request, then tap Allow if you want to continue. Now, you should see the main Phone by Google screen. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Look for an option called Caller ID and Spam. If this option appears, tap it. Turn on See Caller and Spam ID. This setting allows the app to show information about unknown callers. It can also warn you when a phone number may belong to a spammer or scammer. If you see another option called Filter Spam Calls, turn that on too. This can prevent some suspected spam calls from interrupting you. Don't worry, you can still find information about filtered calls in your call history. If you cannot see caller ID and spam, return to the Google Play Store and make sure the app is fully updated. Also, confirm that Phone by Google is your default calling app. To check this, open your phone's main settings. Tap Apps. Now, select Default Apps. Tap Phone app, then select Phone by Google. Return to the Phone by Google app and check the settings again. If caller ID and spam is still missing, the feature may not be available for your phone, mobile carrier, or country. This is completely normal, and you can still block unwanted callers manually. Let me show you how. Open the Phone by Google app and tap Recents. Find the suspicious phone number in your call history. Press and hold the number, or tap the number to open its details. Now, select Block or Report Spam. If you believe the call was suspicious, enable Report Call as Spam. Finally, tap Block to confirm. That number should no longer be able to call you unless you unblock it later. Now, let's check your blocked numbers. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Settings, then tap Blocked Numbers. Here, you can see every phone number you have blocked. If you blocked someone accidentally, tap the Remove or Unblock icon next to their number. You may also see an option called Unknown. Turning this option on can block calls from private or unidentified numbers. However, use this setting carefully. Some legitimate organizations may call using a private number. If you're expecting an important call from a hospital, delivery service, business, or government office, you may want to leave this option turned off. Finally, remember that no application can detect every scam call. Never share your password, verification code, banking PIN, or card security code with someone who calls you unexpectedly. If a caller asks you to transfer money immediately, install a remote control application, or share a verification code, end the call. Find the organization's official phone number on its website, bank card, or official application. Call that number yourself to confirm whether the original call was genuine. And that's it. You've successfully installed Phone by Google, made it your default calling app, checked its spam protection settings, and learned how to block suspicious numbers. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Android tips. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.